Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to work on this session. So go to Google and type font awesome CDN and click on this one. Copy this one. Scroll up, just paste it here. Okay, so now go to your browser, just refresh it. Okay, so now we are going to work on this one. So copy this one from here. So this one will be H1. Then paste it here. Give it a class of main dash video dash title. Then we also have another div with a class of yt dash more dash info. Then over here a span with a class of views. So copy this one from here and paste it here. And we also have another span with a class of yt dash date. Copy this one from here. So this one will be dot, then paste it here. Then over here we also have another div with a class of buttons dash zone. So this one will be yt dash buttons dash zone. Then inside is we have our button element. Remove this one from here. So this one will be class of yt dash action dash btn. Then over here the first one is the like icon. So go to your font or some that, then click on this one, open it in a new tab. Now click on icons. Then over here just search for like. Okay, so there are so many icons that you can use here. So click on this one and copy this one from here. Paste it here. Then we also have a span which contains the number of likes, so you can put any values over here. Now copy this one and duplicate it. Okay, it's okay. Okay, so now this is what we have. The second icon is the dislike. So this one will be dislike icon. Okay, so copy this one. Remove this one with dislike, and this one will be dislike. This one over here will be share. Download. So this one, the share icon. Okay, so you can choose any of the icon that you want. You can choose this one, you can choose any of them. So I'm going to choose this one. We also have download. The download, I'll choose this one. This one is download. Okay. So just refresh it. Okay. So let's see the download icon. So click on this one. Copy this one from here. Replace this one with this one. Don't forget to save it. Okay. If you start it, it will come. The second one over here is this one, clip. Okay. So you can choose any of either the one that you want. So I'm going to choose scissors. So copy this one over here and paste it here. Replace this one with the copy text, and this one will be clip. And I'll copy this one and paste it again. The last one is save. Save. So for the download, let's choose this one. Now for the save, we can choose this one. We can choose to also choose this one. So I'm going to choose this one. Okay, so this is it. Then this one over here is save. Okay, so now this is what we have. Right now it's looking ugly, so let's style it so that it looks nice. So click over and inspect. So the first thing I want us to work on is this one. So click on or copy this one from here. Go to your sources. Just scroll down. Over a dot, then paste it here. Give it a font dash weight to be 400. Then give it a padding dash top to be 20 px. Okay. Then the next thing I want us to work on is this one. So copy this one from here. So before we work on this one, just go to your sources. Cut everything from here. Watch dots. Replace this one with the copy text. Don't forget to save it. Over here, we want everything over here to stay side by side. As you can see over here, I want everything over here to stay side by side. In order for us to do that, we use flex. So display flex. So over here will be, we attach the dash flex to it. Okay, so as you can see, so now let's style it so that it looks nice. Okay, so there is it. So copy this one. Copy it from here, go to your sources. dot, then paste it here. Over here, give it a padding of 15 ps, 0, 20 ps, then 0, then semicolon, and also color to be ampersand 303030, then semicolon. Justify content to be space between, then semicolon. The next thing I want us to work on is the views, so copy this one from here. Go to your sources, then paste it here. Over here, give it a font size to be 14 ps, then font dash weight to be 300. Okay. So then now the next thing I want us to work on is this ones. So copy this one from here, go to your sources, paste it here. So over here, give it a weight to be 60%, then display over here to be flex, then justify content dash content space around. Okay, so now copy everything from here, go to watch dots, replace this one with the copy text, don't forget to save it. So now go to your watch dot. Over here, I want these two to also sit side by side, so over here will be d dash flex. So copy this one from here and paste it here. And this one too, paste it here. Paste this one here. Paste this one here. Now go to your browser. As you can see, this is what we are having, but there must be a space over here. So how are we going to do that? So how are we going to do this kind of stuff? We need to give it a space. So click over and inspect. Then there is a button. So copy this one, go to your sources. Over here, dots, then paste it here. Remove this one. So this one is all. Then over here, give it a color of ampersand 303030, then semicolon. Then we also have dots, then paste it here. Over here, I want to give it a margin of 0, 5 ps, 0 and 0, then semicolon. I think I can live with this one. Okay, so click here and inspect. Go to your sources, copy everything from here, then replace this one with the copy text. And also over here, just attach a class to cursor dash pointer. Over here, copy this one from here and paste it here. This one to the same thing. Then paste it here. So in the next video we are going to work on this one, this session. So see you in the next video.